In this video, we listed the 5 best enclosed 3D printer that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Dremel 3D 45 3D Printer. The Dremel 3D 45 3D Printer Kit by Dremel is a winner of the PC Mag 2018 Editor's Choice Award and is a partner of Google for Education. It is made of black ABS material and has product dimensions of 18.75 inches in depth, 23 inches in width, and 18.75 inches in height, with an item weight of 42.8 pounds. The printer features an easily removable glass build plate heated up to 100 degrees Celsius and an all-metal 0.4mm nozzle heated up to 280 degrees Celsius. It also has a 5-inch full-color touch screen with intuitive icons for easy setup and operation, allowing users to go from unboxing to their first print in less than 15 minutes. The fully enclosed sturdy plastic design with a 6.7 inches by 10 inches by 6 inches build volume provides better prints, better safety, and less chance for warping, and it includes built-in carbon and particulate filters. Number 2. QIDI Technology i3D Printer. The QIDI Technology 3D printer is a fully industrial-grade structure with the second-generation QIDI dual Z-axis structure and upgraded motion structure to linear guides, allowing for faster and smoother filament extrusion and higher printing accuracy. It can print various filaments suitable for FDM 3D printers, equipped with a heated chamber for more robust manufacturing-grade parts. The automatic dual extruder and PVA support enable the manufacturing of complex parts with precision. The all-metal high-temp extruder is more durable and prints smoother, with a large UI interface and self-developed QIDI slicing software for an excellent user experience. Number 3. FLASHFORGE 3D Printer. The FLASHFORGE Adventure 5M series offers a futuristic 3D printing experience with one-click automatic printing, ensuring impeccable bed leveling without manual adjustments. With a Core XY structure and ultra-fast printing speed, it provides high precision and efficiency, ideal for rapid prototyping and mass production. This smart choice printer features rapid nozzle changes, high-flow nozzle, quick warm-up, dual-sided PEI platform, and superior print quality with adaptability to various materials. Additionally, it supports real-time monitoring through a mobile app Flash Maker for seamless and uninterrupted printing. Number 4. Monoprice Voxel 3D Printer. The Monoprice Voxel 3D printer is a versatile and user-friendly printer designed for easy operation and efficient printing. With a quick change nozzle, heated and flexible build plate, an auto-leveling feature, this printer is perfect for both beginners and experienced users. The auto-feeding with filament sensor ensures seamless printing by recognizing low filament levels and pausing prints until filament is reloaded. Additionally, the printer ships fully calibrated and ready to print out of the box, and is compatible with various operating systems. For more information and to access the latest software and manual, visit the Monoprice website and search for a Voxel or use part number 33820 in the search bar. Number 5. Voxelab Aquila X3 Max 3D Printer. The Voxelab Aquila X3 Max 3D printer features a 25-point auto-leveling system, making it easy to operate with just one button and saving time from tedious manual leveling. It comes with a double-sided magnetic PEI spring steel platform for easy model removal and reduced maintenance costs. The printer also offers high-efficiency printing with preheating of the nozzle and platform, reaching speeds of up to 200 mm per second. Additional functions include filament runout detection and resume printing, and the package comes with multiple copper nozzles to support different filament types. Voxelab offers a 1-year warranty and lifetime technical support for this FDM 3D printer.